No, I don't. Give me
Stop.
some.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole and Bibi here. Today I'll be making the best sandwich ever. You can't get food outside of your house, so I'm teaching you how to make this sandwich. What you will need, you don't have to have all these, you can improvise.
Garlic butter. Maybe they saw my armpit hair. Hopefully the Billy commercial played before this. That's a tomboy! My TikTok is Janice and BB. Bacon, cheese, garlic butter, honey butter, black forest ham, avocado, honey butter, and mayo. How fast
Got
that
the bread
and bread.
and the ham and turkey.
How fast can I do it? Bacon, bread, honey butter, mayo, avocado, garlic butter, cheese, honey butter, black forest ham, apple orchard breast. I'm leaving. That's not my phone.
And we have a pan. This is a little recipe I made myself, so let's just get into it. So step one, I got these going. So use what you got. It's not that deep. Heat up your pan. Oh. I just heat up the bacon so it's faster. Okay, so each sandwich I use 2 strips of bacon. You could definitely use less or more, or no bacon at all. Okay.
Why don't you do some TikTok translations?
So our bacon is done. I think our pan is hot. A spoonful of the garlic butter. I do this thing where like I put my spoon down on it and let it kind of like melt off. 1 ham, 2 turkey, all the fun. You can use a butter knife, but I'm ambitious. Oh, rinse your avocado, guys. And I'm scared to see what this avocado looks like because I think it's way too ripe. So if it's brown, don't clown me. Oh no. That's so mushy there. I kind of did that perfectly though. It's not that bad. I might be exaggerating. My mom was like, you can still eat that part. I think just knowing that it's brown just makes it harder to eat. Like I don't want to eat it because I see that it's brown. It's kind of like poop. I'm tasting another piece with brown. It's not like terrible. It's just not good. Yeah, I'm just gonna avoid the brown parts. So if you're in my case, avoid them. Oh, right now I'm just spreading this butter. Then with this honey, shoot, it's coming out. It's coming out. My mom's gonna start smelling what's happening. She's gonna come out here and ask for something. Ask for some of me. How much you guys want to bet? $5. Here, shake my hand. Shake it. Shake it. So this is what it's looking like. Why isn't it like not sizzling? Probably because it's not hot enough. So getting the bread ready. In 2 slices. I don't know why all of our bread is squished. I'm kind of mad. And I don't know why it's like turned around. Should I fire my family? I don't know. Comment down below if you think oh, maybe I should make it on like whole grain. It's a whole different vibe though. Re-expand your bread if you need to. On the outer pieces, you're gonna put some mayo. This gives it like a golden color. Show my mayo. Ew. And you let that vibe out on the side. Whoops.
All baby blows is disease. I am farting like nobody's business.
You're farting.
I hope you ever recorded.
I am. Can I keep that in?
That's your reason.
Ew. We're gonna cut more into our avocado, kind of get the chunks that we need. Oh, this avocado is disgusting. Do you want me to keep all the brown parts for you?
As long as she makes me a grain. Are you making me a sandwich?
Do you want a sandwich? See, I told you guys, once she knew, she would ask for one. I called it. So she's gonna get all the brown parts. Ew. Gross. There's so much brown. And what if it's, what are these like circles?
Janice, Nicole, eat spam and this thing has stopped making it.
What?
Eat spam.
Can you look at it? Here, I'll come to you. The circles.
That's normal. That's the ground dot.
What brown dots? Where have you seen brown dots?
That's what that is. I'm saying that's normal.
How's that normal? This is the last avocado too. So disappointing. This is taking way longer. This sandwich should take you like 10 minutes to make max. And here I am spending like, my battery's about to, are you kidding me? I'm going to my phone, guys. We are now on my phone. Oh my gosh. The lighting is subpar. This is what the honey butter looks like. So like half a teaspoon of that. I'm doing the pan thing again. I'm gonna do another piece of ham. That's it. That's the solution to all my problems. Tell me if you guys have ever gotten that. We're gonna rip it off. No thank you, I already have mushy avocado to do. Okay, so honey butter is melting. I'm still trying to pick out good avocado pieces. And doing the avocado at this point is better for you later because once you actually start putting the bread and everything down, like it goes fast, like no joke. Literally, this is what we're dealing with. No, not allowed. Okay, this is what I mean by moving fast. So I'm putting this first one down. Get 2 pieces of cheese or whatever you want to do. Have your piece of cheese ready, cause maybe I should bring you guys in closer. Okay, so this piece of bread, yay! So then you're gonna flip it over because it's ready to go. Mayo actually makes this side cook a little longer. So, the bread. Then you start putting your ham and stuff. Ooh, your ham, your turkey. That is like burnt. We're not gonna talk about that. Then you get your bacon. Oh, this bacon looks dried out. Put your bacon, you rip it in half, and you put it on each. If you have any like greens, I would put greens at this point, but we don't have spinach or anything, so this is where we're at. This on top. And then we put avocado. Oop, that's ready to go on top. Then you take your spatula and like you're checking the bottom. We're almost there, we're not quite there. Like I said, the mayo makes that side cook a little bit longer. The flipping of this is the hardest thing because it's so easy for it to like flop, especially if it's like not all melted and like crisp together. I'm gonna take this, like that. Ah! That was pretty good actually. This is what we got going on. Oh yeah, this side looks so much better than this other side. Ooh. And just like that, you're done. Take your avocado knife. See, don't you just love this tilted angle? We're gonna use it anyway. But you just cut it. Definitely, if your bread was sexier, this might look better. But this is what we've got going on. Yeah! This is my signature. Okay, Janice, you didn't even.
It's pretty good.
Are you kidding me?
Now what do I do?
You can finish that half.
Okay.
I still need my half. Can you? What game are you playing?
I know you want to eat your precious sandwich.
I look like washed out because I put sunscreen on because I thought I was gonna go on a run, but then it started raining. So that's me.
Chill with this one.
This ended up being better than I expected. Definitely recommend a small pan. But if you had a panini press, which would be the easiest thing to make, it would take you like 4 minutes max. Invest in a panini. If you learned anything from me today. This video is a mess. It's so delicious though. It's not vegan, it's not vegetarian, it's not pescatarian, it's not gluten-free. Definitely some saturated fat. So, thank you so much for watching. Do what you need to do, like, comment, subscribe. You know how it is. Okay, cue the outro already. Get this girl off the stage.